Ever been scammed online, or worried you might be the next victim? If you're nodding in agreement, you're not alone. In this vast digital universe, online scams lurk in every corner, ready to ensnare the unaware. The sad truth is, anyone could fall victim, even the most tech-savvy among us. But fear not. Your best defense against these cyber predators is awareness and knowledge. The more you know, the safer you are. So, how can you spot these fake sites and avoid falling into their trap? First on our list is to always check the URL. It's essential to keep an eye out for misspellings, additional characters, or anything that appears unusual. This is a common trick used by scammers. For instance, they might replace an M with an ARN in the URL, making it look identical at first glance. Or perhaps they add an extra letter or symbol that's easy to overlook. These subtle changes can lead you to a fake site. A careful look at the URL can save you from a scam. The second trick is to look for secure sites. Internet safety matters, and one way to ensure this is by identifying secure sites. These sites use HTTPS, that's Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. These technologies encrypt your data, making it harder for scammers to get their hands on your information. HTTPS appears in the website's URL, while a padlock symbol indicates SSL security. Remember, secure sites are less likely to be fake. Third on our list is to verify the site's contact information. Trustworthy sites will always provide a way for you to reach them. It's a sign of transparency and accountability. You can verify the provided information by giving them a call or sending an email. But be wary of generic email addresses or phone numbers that don't connect. Also, a physical address that doesn't match up on Google Maps is a red flag. Remember, no contact information, or if it seems fishy, steer clear. Fourth, always check the website's design and content. A professional website typically has a polished, coherent design with high-quality images and error-free content. In contrast, a scam site often looks hastily put together. You might notice glaring grammar mistakes, poor image quality, a lack of consistency in the design, and even content that doesn't seem relevant to the supposed purpose of the site. These are all signs of unprofessionalism and should raise a red flag. A poorly designed website is often a telltale sign of a scam. Lastly, always look for reviews and feedback. These golden nuggets of user experience can often reveal the truth about a site's legitimacy. Trustworthy reviews typically come from established platforms or social media, so make sure to do your homework. Be wary of overly positive feedback or a flood of negative comments. Both could indicate manipulation. Also consider the language used. Authentic reviews usually have a conversational tone, not promotional or robotic. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. So, to recap, the 5 tricks to spot fake sites are: first, always check the URL. Second, look for the security padlock symbol. Third, verify the site's contact information. Fourth, don't ignore the website's design and content. Fifth, and finally, look for reviews and feedback. These are not just tips, they're your shields against the world of online scams. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and you can beat the scammers at their own game.